Today we are going to be launching our BetterCap. BetterCap is used for ARP spoofing or DNS spoofing. It can be used to redirect a victim from a website to another website. So instead of going to um, apple.com, he goes to probably basketball.com every time he types in apple.com. So how do we launch our BetterCap? You can type it, or you can go to your start menu and get it from there. BetterCap. Okay, so now to start up your usage, first thing we're going to type is our BetterCap. Let's get sudo permission, super user permission first, so it makes it easy for us. See my password and BetterCap minus iface ETH0. So ETH0 is our system default Wi-Fi use. But if you are connected to, if you are using a wireless adapter and you are connected to a wireless network, you are going to be using your WLAN and as many as you can see on your device. But we are going to be using our ETH0 since we are not connected to the internet now. So BetterCap minus iface ETH0. Tap on enter, type help, the list of things that are running, the modules that are running. Now you can see that the only module running is our events.stream. We want our net.probe to be on. We need to set our ARP and net.snip. Start with our net.probe, which is this. Now to get it running, net.probe space on. How was I able to get to know that I am supposed to put it on? Net.probe on. If you want to know how to turn on your net.probe or any of your modules, you can just type in your help and the name of the module you want to get information about. So net.probe on, you can see it is on because I have any devices I'm connected to. I am not running, you can't see any other device with an IP address on the same network. But if I were to be running another operating system, you would see, or if I'm connected to a device on the same network, you would see it listed among the endpoints that are here. Now we're going to set our ARP spoof. We're going to type set space ARP dot spoof dot full duplex, no space, space true. Set ARP dot spoof dot full duplex true. Tap on enter. We type in set ARP dot spoof dot target. Now you can put in the IP address of your target device. So if I were to be connected to a wireless network and I see other devices that are connected together with me, with mine, I would put in the IP address of that target machine. When I'm done with that, I will put my arp.spoof on. You could see it could not find any targets because currently I am not I'm not connected to any other device on the same network. Can now type in your sniff. I think let me end that here. We'll do that again. You can type in help or you can just go directly net.probe. Help just tells you the modules that are running. You can see net.probe. We can do set our arp.spoof.full duplex, turn it to be true. Set arp.spoof targets and the IP address of our target machine 168.201. Let me use .1, and you put on your net, or you can put on your ARP spoof ARP.spoof on. You can see it is probing a target, but this is just the broadcast IP address, so there will be no attack done. And I put on my net.sniff on. Now you can see when I type in help again, you can see my ARP spoof is running, my event.stream is also running. You can see the net.probe, net.recon, net.sniff are all running. With that,